Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be trying out some dual forms for the first time. Some of the other things I'm going to need are my polygel brush, a cuticle pusher. These clips actually came with the dual form kit, and then also I'm going to be trying out two different polygels. The first one I'm going to be trying has acrylic mixed in with the polygel, and then the other one is just regular polygel. This dual form kit came with the two clips, as I said, and also comes with 100 pieces of nails, so it has many options for everybody's different types of nail beds. So the trick to this is you don't want to get a dual form too small for your nail bed, but you also don't want to get one too big. So here I'm just trying to size my thumb. I wanted one to fit just right, and there's also going to be more space created back because I'm going to use my cuticle pusher. The thing that I like about this dual form is that they're not curved. I don't like curved nails. I know some people do, I personally don't. These ones are relatively straight, but they still have that hump, so it's going to create a nice apex in the end, hopefully. Let's see. So to prep my nail, I'm just filing the shape. I usually keep my nails square, so I like to round out those edges when I'm about to do an application. So now I'm just pushing back all my cuticles. I like to push them back. I don't like cutting my cuticles because I know 100% I'm gonna cut myself. To follow away some of this dead skin, I'm going to be using my nail gel that I showed you guys in the previous video. It's still going strong, but before I do that, when I get a new nail bit, I like to follow away at it just a little bit so it's not too harsh on my nails. After I'm done filing my nails, I just like to wipe my nails off with some rubbing alcohol just to remove any oil or debris. So as I said, I'm going to be using the poly gel mixed with acrylic first. And the difference that I've noticed is that it's much harder, which could be a good thing. I don't know if it's good or bad yet, but it is harder to maneuver. And I also realized I used too much. So if you do use too much, it's not too late to correct it. That's what I like about poly gel. So I just remove some and then just smooth it all back. And don't use too much rubbing alcohol like I did. I feel like that made it much more slippery when I was putting the dual form on my nail. But you live and you learn. Just like how you would with a nail form, you gotta apply your base gel so it can actually stick on your nail. If you do this process right, in theory, it should only take about maybe 20 minutes to do your one hand at least. And that's including filing, because if you do it right, you won't really need to file that much. So next time when I do this, I will take my own advice. One thing I will say with these dual forms is when you take it off, the shine that comes from the polygel, it's so nice. And when you apply that polish, it's going to be so smooth and pretty. So guys, this is what I'm talking about. Look at all that spillage in the back and the way the nail's shaped. Oh my gosh. But if you have a nail drill, this process should be really fast. When I was filing the back of my nails, I realized I had this huge bubble. So to fix this, I would just put polygel in it, but next time I'll look out for it while forming the nail on the dual form. Here I'm just filing to get the nice stiletto shape I want. Then I'm going to also get my diamond bit and just smooth over my cuticles so everything is one smooth surface. So these are the final results, guys. I'm just going to add some cuticle oil and this is it. I would recommend dual forms. They're really easy. You just need to know the right amount of polygel to use. But once you get that, I feel like it will make the process way easier, especially if you want to just do something really quick. All right, thanks guys for watching. I hope you have a good day.
Give it to me like